Hey guys, Mo here, and we are back in Cancun, Mexico. Here hanging out at the RIU Cancun. This place is, oh shit, the waves keep getting me.
We're at one of Cancun's hottest party resorts and things get a little wild. If you're into party travel and real resort reviews, this is the channel for you. Welcome to RIU Cancun. Once you arrive at the resort, you'll walk into this massive lobby. The lobby is where you'll find check-in, bellhops, and if you continue through, you'll find the 24-hour lobby bar. Now this is a fantastic place to grab drinks, and the bartenders are guaranteed to put on a show for you. In between the bar and the main lobby, you will find the elevators. These will take you up to your room. We stayed in room 1029. This is a Seaview Room, and we'll get to that in just a sec. When you walk in, you're greeted with the restroom on the left with dual sinks, a rain head shower, and a toilet behind the door for privacy. It has all the towels and amenities you would need for a stay here. Across from the bathroom, you have your closet with the ironing board, iron, hangers, and your safe is here as well. Then you're greeted with what the RIU is known for. The 4 bottles in the room and mixers. For some reason they gave us dual beds. There's a table in here for room service, as well as a television and small dresser. So I'll normally book a RIU party room. Didn't do that this time. They didn't have any available at this property, but we're here. Room's still fantastic. I'll show you this outside view. As you can see, this view just sucks you in. This is the Seaview Room, not an oceanfront, but we're close enough. The oceanfront will be right there. They're about 50 feet closer. It is what it is. We're close enough. This will be a fantastic few days here. We'll get out, we'll show you the rest of this property. Let's make our way back downstairs to check out the beach and the pool. We made our way back downstairs. We saw some of the group activities happening. There was a team hosting yoga. We ran into a volleyball match happening as well. We'll get to that in a sec. Once you make it to the pool, you'll find this massive bar. Now it is accessible from outside of the pool as well as inside the pool because it is a swim-up bar. Look at this crazy beach.
I gotta go back up.
I'm telling you, this water is absolutely perfect temperature.
Not at all. Oh, and I got sunshine on me.
Oh, look at that. No shadows. No racism shadows.
No racism.
It was a little windy this day, so there were some waves coming in. There are some big rocks right here where the beach chairs are, so be careful. And here's that volleyball match I mentioned. I would love this job, to be able to come to work and play volleyball. Life couldn't get any better. Here's the second pool right next to where we're about to hang out. This pool doesn't have a swim-up bar attached to it. All in all, there's 3 pools here. There's a little spot here poolside to grab snacky snacks. Have hot dogs, nachos, tacos, all sorts of things to grab here. And there's a chef in the back to cook up some made-to-eat orders. Once in the pool, I scoped out the scene to see who we would be partying with today.
We got young people, we got old people. Everybody's out here just vibing. I love it.
And then we were greeted with these delicious shots of awesomeness. I have no idea what these are, but they were delicious.
Good stuff indeed, dog. Looks like there's no beach here though. We got like 3 feet of beach.
And once we got comfortable, we were introduced to Shelly. This is when we knew it was going to be a crazy day. What Shelly is referring to is my floating GoPro hand. Now, we've never met this lady, and these were the first words that came out of her mouth.
I met a girl, and she was a professional dominatrix, and she gets paid $200 to go up there.
And this conversation took twists and turns all over the place. From friendly prostate
I don't need
exams.
any medical attention. Then I wait till he's drunk. No, he doesn't drink much anymore. Things that have been in my...
But she promised when I was older I would enjoy some things that I do not enjoy now.
39. Yeah, well, wait till you're 50, you'll be begging for it.
I do not look forward to that.
What's your name? I'm Nicole. What? Nicole. Nicole. Mo. What's your name? Mo. Mo. You're gonna remember me. I'm Shelly.
Shelly, nice to meet you,
When
Shelly.
you can no longer pee and she got up your ass, you're gonna, oh my gosh,
Shelly.
That's Shelly.
I will never
Shelly
forget
with the
Shelly.
KY jelly.
I see what you did there, Shelly.
Like, we're not swingers, no. It's like 30%.
They were definitely swingers.
You never know who you're gonna meet at the reunion. Yeah, I mean, get me wrong, this place is cool. It's not the super party, but people are fantastic.
We headed back to the bar to decompress from that Shelly conversation. At this point, we started making friends with everybody at the bar.
They keep coming.
And let me tell you, a time was had. One of my absolute favorite things to do is just roam around the pool and introduce myself.
DJ screaming my name. DJ screaming my name.
Hello, motherfuckers. I'm from Germany, and me too.
And I'm from Mexico, and we love you. We love you. Enjoy.
Come to Mexico. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
There were so many people represented here. We had Canadians, Germans, Puerto Ricans. There were Brits. Just people from all over.
Sour taste with it. It's a good drink.
You got me on camera?
I got your camera.
You got me on candid camera. What up from Canada?
What up, what up?
Something.
I love you, Shelly. Shelly's alive. Shelly's alive.
What's up, YouTube?
Cheers. Salud. Salud, salud, salud.
After floating our livers for the day, we decided to go get ready for dinner. For dinner, we headed to the buffet. Once we got in here and took a look at everything, we realized the food was just mid. Maybe it's just whack to me because I can't eat a lot of the food because I have a gluten allergy. There's all sorts of food here, and everything is labeled with all of the allergen information: shrimp, seafood, gluten. Man, I love it. Here you can audibly hear cold roll from the food. It just wasn't that great. The next day we headed over to RIU Cancun for their jungle pool party where things got wild. Be sure to check out that full video at the link above. Guys, we are back on RIU Cancun. Finished up an amazing pool party tonight. Getting ready to go check out the steakhouse that's here on property. This is about to be amazing. It looks so good. And on our way, we were serenaded by this man strumming of the strings. Steakhouse is a little busy at the moment. They have about an hour wait. So they gave us this fancy RIU call return button thingy. So we're just sitting here hanging out, people watching for a little bit until they call us. While we waited, we ended up enjoying one of the stage shows that the hotel put on. The name of the on-site steakhouse is Turquesa. The food here was absolutely magical. On property, there are 6 restaurants total, with many cuisines to choose from. Finally got called to the steakhouse.
Sitting here, just ordered a couple drinky drinks, and by drinky drinks, I mean I got water because we've been out all day. Oh shit. Okay. My drinky drinks, I mean I got a shot of tequila sitting there waiting on me. I think we're gonna do the mixed grill for 2, which includes chicken, ribs, shrimp, and chorizo. This is gonna be fantastic. I believe so, sir. Can we get the mixed grill?
They brought out salad, bread, and mozzarella sticks as appetizers, and then the main course came out. I didn't do too much filming here because it is date night, and sometimes you gotta keep intimate things intimate.
We got chorizo, chicken, shrimp, and ribs. This is about to be absolutely amazing.
Review time, starting with the room. The room was clean, the beds were comfortable, and it's hard to beat that view. And there's 4 bottles in the room waiting on you. The beach, 7 out of 10. There's not a lot of room for beach activities here, but if you hop in the ocean, you kind of forget about it. Moving on to the buffet. I give it a 4 out of 10. A lot of the food looked very unappetizing and lacked any sort of flavor profile. Pool, 10 out of 10. This is just a fantastic way overall to spend the day. You never know who you're gonna meet out there. And we can't forget the dedicated crew here who always go above and beyond. 100 out of 10.
I think that's gonna do it for my time here at the RIU Cancun. This has been a fantastic few days. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you've enjoyed it, and we will catch you in the next one.
Nothing beats a jet-to-you holiday, and right now you can save 50 pounds per person. Get 200 pounds for a family of 4.
To see how RIU Cancun compares to other RIU resorts, click this RIU playlist. And I have more crazy videos from Cancun coming up soon.
Let me tell you guys a little story about going to jail in Mexico.
Who booked the boat, man? I just go. If you can't stress, leave that soon, cause you with more.